Ladies and gentlemen, look at this bad boy, Rainbow Sangria. That's right. Now watch this. We got blueberries in there, okay? Look at the blueberries falling. Then we got blackberries in there. Amen. Then we'll come behind the blackberries with some honeydew. You got to get the green in there. Then you get a little bit kiwi, which is even a darker green. Come behind it with some pineapple slices. Okay, there's all about diversity, people. Get some cantaloupe in there, all orange, a bit of red. And this drink symbolizes us coming together to sip on some brandy because we're all one. Okay, we're all God's people. Amen. Bit of simple syrup to sweeten us up, followed by some moscato because we need to get even sweeter. And we all look beautiful together. Amen. A little bit of soda water, just to wash it down. Amen. Amen. I'm a good priest. You see that? I am so good at this. Okay. It's just I have a hard time asking for money. But if you could donate a couple dollars to the Tipsy Bartender Fund, okay, the new building fund. Amen.